Ciao amici, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making an easy, delicious pizza in teglia, which is a typical street food from Italy, and it's perfect for family nights or with friends or when you're just craving something tasty. The good thing about making pizza at home is that you can decide which ingredients you use. So you can use a high quality olive oil, which gives a delicious taste to your pizza dough. Or you can decide which mozzarella you use, or which tomatoes, or which vegetables. So your pizza will be much healthier, much tastier than any takeout pizza or than any frozen pizza. So let's make it together. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, semolina, salt and yeast and mix until everything is evenly combined. Next, slowly add the water and olive oil. This will give the dough a wonderful depth of flavor. Transfer the dough to a clean surface and fold and knead it for about 10 minutes. Until it becomes smooth and elastic. This kneading is important because it activates the gluten, which gives our pizza that perfect chewy and crispy texture. Once you've finished kneading, place the dough back into the bowl. Cover it and let it rest for about 2 hours. After 30 minutes, fold the dough again to strengthen it, then let it rest for another 1.5 hours or longer. Now let's move on to the sauce. I use San Marzano tomatoes because they are naturally sweet and free of additives. Simply crush the tomatoes by hand in a bowl until they're in small pieces. Then season with salt, a bit of olive oil and fresh basil. I love making my own sauce. It's so simple and incredible fresh in taste. Once your dough has risen, it's time to assemble the pizza. Take a large baking sheet, brush it with olive oil and sprinkle it with semolina flour. This step gives the pizza an incredible crispy crust and makes it easy to remove from the pan later. Now press the dough into the baking sheet, shaping it with your hands. Spread a thin layer of the homemade tomato sauce evenly across the dough. Top it with fresh mozzarella and a few basil leaves for extra flavor. Bake the pizza at 415 Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes or until the crust is golden and the mozzarella is bubbly and slightly browned. And there you have it, pizza in teglia, crispy on the bottom and soft in the center. A beautiful homemade Italian sheet pan pizza you can enjoy with your family or friends. Grazie mille for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more healthy Italian recipes. Alla prossima, see you next time!